Ndewo ndị be anyị nọ na kanal Igbotutorials. Aha m bụ Nwada Blessing Ifunanya Chukwuma. Hello and welcome to my channel Igbotutorials. My name is Blessing Ifunanya Chukwuma. So in today's lesson we're going to be talking about the Igbo folktales. I'm going to give you a brief should I call it history or talk about the Igbo folktales. Okay, so the Igbo folktales normally starts in the evening. Okay, what we call Mbwede. Okay, evening is Mbwede, and it's normally done after dinner, since it's meant to be like a relaxation time with family or with friends. Okay, so in a normal or traditional Igbo settings, you can never see the folktale being told before dinner. It's normally after dinner. Okay, so the people involved in Igbo folktales is usually children, but adults too can be involved in the Igbo folktale. And before the folktale begins, there are some terms you need to know, like umuaka, which is children. Okay, kora ani kobi dani mma, like tell us so that we'll be happy, or literally so that our heart will be joyous, since obi is heart. Okay, kora ani kobi dani mma. Then you have to know another one, that is onwere akụkọ m ga-akọrọ unu. Onwere akụkọ m ga-akọrọ unu. There is a story I have to tell you. So it's actually normally a call and an answer. I say onwere akụkọ m ga-akọrọ unu. That is the storyteller. We say onwere akụkọ m ga-akọrọ unu. Then the audience will respond kọrọ anyị ka obi dị anyị mma. Okay, yeah, the Igbo riddles can be also be preceded with the Igbo folktales can be preceded with riddles, proverbs, or ikonu. Ikonu is how to say, like a verbal insult. Okay, so it's quite a normal thing. Like it's not offensive. Like how will I explain it? It's just to know who can talk the more. So it's kind of joke, but in a form of a verbal insult. So I think that explains why we Igbos that were raised in Igbo land, like it's easy to say some things like kind of insult, but it's not insult. Okay, for example, you can say someone ewu negodu kisigide, like goat, just look at your head. Or you can say isiazu, like fish head, you know, things like that. So that is why when you see an Igbo person that is raised in Igbo land saying these things, you shouldn't find it offensive, like especially if you guys don't really have any problem. You're just telling you, like, you know, it's a friendly way of communicating. It's not really meant to be offensive, but some people that don't understand find it really offensive. Okay, for example, me, I run into lots of trouble with people over here. Like when I tell them, they're like whatever. So, but that is just it. So the folktale can be followed up with, can be mixed with riddles, proverbs, or ikon. Okay, which other important fact should you know about folktales? Yeah, if the audience is adults, they are not children, and the person saying the telling the folktale is a child, or even if you're not a child, you don't say umuaka okay, because it's children, you say umunnem no umunnam, which simply means my brothers and my sisters. Okay, so you say umunnem no umunnam, o nwere akụkọ m ga-akọrọ unu, then they will respond kọrọ anyị ka obi dị anyị mma. Also in Igbo folk tales, like, it's not uncommon to hear songs, like folk songs burst out during a folk tale. Okay, as a matter of fact, most of Igbo folk tales is mainly singing, like they portray or illustrate a story through singing. Okay, there's a lot of facts, but these are the ones I can remember for now. In future I might tell other facts, and also I'll tell you some folk tales in my future videos. So keep watching Igbo tutorials, okay? And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification button. Okay, if there is any other facts about folktale that you know or you've heard of, please write in the comment section below and let's get talking. Okay, and I think that's it for today's lesson. I am still blessing Ifunanya Chukwuma. Adibo wa adibo. Adadioramma. Till next time. See you. Okay? Bye.